Okay, got a whole bunch of stuff from Temu. Let's see what we got this time. Okay, this is the cover for the recliner. Let's do this quick. Okay, deburring tool. It's only $2-3. The upholstery cover is a little more expensive. Okay, this is, I know what this is already. This is leather repair. If you have a hole in your arm rest, so got 2 of those. What is this? I don't even remember. Okay, this is to remove the wristband for watches, the links. That's what it is for. This is a tile blade. Okay. This is a wireless audio adapter. You can plug this into your Legacy radio and you can play your MP3. You can also receive an audio signal. This is a USB power strip. This is like $12. This is $10 maybe. Okay, this one here, Anderson connector for up to 6 gauge. This is a fuel line and fuel filter for my diesel heater. This is mosquito head net for the summer. Okay, this is a battery switch. Like 200 amps maybe. And this one here, this is a converter from 36 volt to 12 volt, 20 amps, and some electrical plug protectors, so you don't stick your fingers into the receptacle. A bit more. Okay, this is a solar light. That's it.